Bitcoin has seen a meteoric rise over the last 72 hours, going from $98,000 per coin to where it's at now at about $108,000, sitting at $107,851 at the moment, testing that 108 level and looking very bullish. Now, Shiba Inu coin also has some very bullish moves out there. It says key metric skyrockets 2x, but, okay, there's a big problem. We're going to be talking a little bit about that in this video. Shiba Inu coin's price is doing very well today. It is also up over the last 24 hours, sitting up about 1% to 1173 points per coin at the moment. And is bullish as Bitcoin? No, but bullish nonetheless. We're going to be talking about what these metrics mean and why we should be a little concerned. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. Now I'm going to jump right into this article here, and then we're going to set the stage a little bit with the fear and greed index and all of that. It says Shiba Inu coin faced an on-chain surge, now breaking bullish sequence. It says, although Shiba Inu coin's market performance has recently increased significantly, most retail investors are not anticipating this type of rally. Even though the price made an attempt to recover over the last few days, the 114% spike that made headlines was caused by large holder outflows, a metric that may actually indicate impending bearish movement. Now, maybe, but we also had an increase in large holder inflows as well. And if you guys remember some of the videos I've done over the last few days, we have been outpacing significantly inflows from outflows. And even though outflows are rising from large holders, the price is still rising, which means that inflows are rising as well. It says SHIB's 90-day large holder outflows have increased by more than 114%, representing a sharp increase in the amount of SHIB leaving wallets with sizable balances. According to data from Into the Block, the 30-day change is down negative 44%, indicating that the most recent spike is reactive rather than a part of a consistent accumulation trend. And even though the short-term 7-day increase of 47% might appear bullish. Now, this type of outflow pattern is typically seen as an indication that big players are selling off assets, possibly before anticipated market weakness. Although this is undoubtedly a warning sign, it is not necessarily proof of an impending collapse. Sell pressure is frequently preceded by whales leaving the market or moving money off-chain or to exchanges. And you know what, guys? Look, if this is the biggest thing that we've got to worry about, right? Rising selling pressure that is still being outpaced by rising buying pressure, we got to look at the whole picture, okay? So take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is doing a fantastic job. And you know what? I'm kicking myself. This is one of the most recent dips that I did not buy. I bought this dip back here. I bought this dip when it came back down to, I didn't buy Bitcoin. It's 75,000, but I bought a lot of altcoins, Ethereum, Solana, Tron, and so on, back in this dip back here. I did not buy this dip right here, so I don't know why I gotta tell you that, but I didn't buy this dip right here. Moving back up, though, Bitcoin is ready to once again test all-time highs. Guys, sitting at $108,000 per coin right now. Bitcoin is just essentially almost $4,000 short of the all-time high pricing. It is rising and rising strong. If you look at the fear and greed index, it's just ticking slightly back up to a level of 48 fear. Or if you're on CoinMarketCap, it's going to be a level of 48 neutrality. Altcoin season is still nowhere near taking place. Bitcoin is extremely dominant in its action right now, which tells us that altcoins have so much more room to run. So if you're investing in Bitcoin, the fact that we're at a level of 48 fear, we got a long way to go before we become overbought again. If you're investing in altcoins, this could just be the beginning, guys. We haven't even seen the rally take place. And I am doing both. I'm investing in Bitcoin, I'm investing in altcoins, and I'm investing in meme coins. Now, one of the places I'm doing that is the KCEX exchange. And just for the next couple of days here, what is it? Couple of days, they've got a ClayBro campaign going on where you guys can earn $16,000 in USDT for trading bonuses, deposit bonuses, and sign-up bonuses. So make sure to use that link down there for that. And I am also buying meme coins. One of them that I've been buying into because Bitcoin is so strong right now is Bitcoin Bull. Guys, Bitcoin Bull is going to airdrop free Bitcoin into my wallet. I get a Bitcoin airdrop when Bitcoin hits 150,000 and when Bitcoin hits $200,000 per coin. I do that because I hold Invest Wallet, and the other thing you need to know is you need to buy during the community sale. If you do both of those things, you will receive Bitcoin airdrops when Bitcoin reaches 150 and 200. You'll receive Bitcoin Bull airdrops when Bitcoin reaches 250,000. And of course, they will be burning Bitcoin Bull tokens at all of those milestones as well. Guys, I believe that the market is setting up for major opportunity. I believe that the Fear and Greed Index is going to be ticking back up into greedy and eventually extremely greedy situations. And I believe that tokens like Shiba Inu coin and the rest of the altcoins as well will see better days ahead. I want to know what you guys believe. Let me know down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.